Okay, let's do some metabolism. What is metabolism? Well, it is the combination of two things. So metabolism is basically catabolism. Catabolism is the breakdown of molecules to their smaller components. Anabolism is like anabolic steroids. So just think anabolic steroids, what do? They build up muscle. So anabolism is to build up, catabolism is to break down. The combination of the two make up what we call metabolism. Now what are we metabolizing? It's three different food sources, right? And what are the food sources? We have fats, we have carbs, and we have proteins. What are our carbs? Carbs, you can think of them as either glycogen, which is the storage form of glucose, which is one of the simple sugars, and this is one of the big sources that we use in order to generate, what is the whole goal of metabolism, to break down everything? Well, it's to generate enough ATP, right? ATP is your power source. It helps to power a lot of different enzymes, different activities in the body. So your goal is to make ATP. And how do you do that? Well, you use the breakdown of these three components to get there. Let's take a look at metabolism. What do we say? Body chemicals, we can look at that. Metabolism is the combination of, right here we have catabolism and anabolism, right? So a nutrient pool in order to generate ATP so that we can use it for different activities in the body. What is catabolism? Breakdown. What is anabolism? It is the build-up of new organic molecules. So what are the three? We said our carbs, storage form of glycogen, our fats, storage form is triglycerides, and our proteins. What are the basic functional units of carbs? Well, simple sugars like glucose. What about basic functional units of fats? Fatty acids. And what about basic functional unit of proteins? These are your amino acids, and there are 20. We don't need to know the 20. We just need to know that there are 20. So here we go again. Triglycerides, glycogen, and proteins. And their goal is to generate enough ATP